be careful with add-ons. Something like this will tend to, if it's not connected correctly, and if it's directly attached to the home, will tend to pull the home in the direction in which it is level. Does that make sense? So even if you try to fix the rest of the house, anything that's directly lagged onto the actual home itself is going to lean it. Now this is a 74. A lot of times they were built with 2x3s. So you don't have a whole bunch of strength on the side of that wall to withstand and have something like that, let alone something like this, attached directly to the side of the house and not have an effect on it. So what's going to end up happening is something like this. I mean, look how much is added on here. That's attached directly to the house. If it's not freestanding, it will pull the home. So this home actually lifts down this way and to this side, because look at how much weight is attached directly to this house. So when you see add-ons, when you're out in the field, be careful with those, because good luck in trying to get that thing level. Make it a great day.